And here we go, guys. Hello, baby. How are you? Disclaimer, this video is not promoting any alcohol whatsoever. Hey guys, welcome back to this lovely, amazing kitchen. Thank you first of all for following me. Great subscribers, great people, great team, and I hope you're enjoying all the recipes. And if there's anything I can do for you, I'm always there for you. We are here to cook for you, from my family to yours. Now, today's recipe is one of my, I would not say my favorite recipes, but it works beautifully. The first time I actually ever cooked this chicken was about 18 years ago, when I was actually in Louisiana when I went on a student exchange program. And literally, this chicken was so delicious. The name of the chicken is called beer can chicken. Okay, why is it called beer can? There are various stories. The reason for me why it's called a beer can chicken is because I marinate my chicken just the way I normally do, and then on an open can of beer, I actually put the chicken on the top. So literally, if I want to even hold a chicken directly in a roasting tray so that the heat is evenly distributed, I would have to mount that chicken. So I think that's the best way to mount a chicken is on something like a can or something like a bottle. But the fact is that as the can heats up and the beer heats up, it starts squirting itself. Okay, the pressure builds up, it starts squirting itself inside the cavity of the bird, which gives a delicious interior which is moist and juicy, and the outside is like beautifully bronzed. Now that is a story which I believe it. There are other stories also where when there were some fishermen who were looking to cook some fish and they wanted to grill it, so literally they put 2 cans of beer and they put the fish on the top for the fire to cook, but stories come and go. The one which I believe is the one I've told you. Now for our chicken, I've got some very nice veggies as well, okay? So I've got some pumpkin here, okay? I've got this lovely butta, usko मैंने हल्का सा blanch कर लिया है, okay? So we've got this lovely corn on the cob. I've also got these carrots, छोटे carrots जो हमारे पास है, which you're going to be doing there. I'm going to be using some garlic here, a little bit of salt, some pepper, lovely, a little bit of smoked paprika, nice, lovely, and then I have some thyme leaves as well, which I'm putting here, okay? Now with this, I've also got these lovely Bhavnagari peppers, which we are going to be adding in here as well. थोड़ा सा और salt जाएगा इसमें, fantastic. Some olio di oliva, I mean olive oil डाल देते हैं. Now these are these lovely vegetables which go with it. I think it's a great time to celebrate. It's a great time to really enjoy this, and obviously this recipe is not for the people who are under the drinking age, and literally we are not actually drinking this beer. We are using the flavor of beer and the heat of the beer just to baste it. So I've got fantastic. So I've got all my veggies here. So we're going to drop our veggies inside. Perfect. Beautiful vegetables. Next, almost using the same marination, okay, almost. I have some chicken, into which, first things first, I am going to season the inside with salt and some pepper, lovely. फिर अभी हम उसमें डालेंगे थोड़ी सी thyme, बहुत flavor आता है thyme से, ठीक है? Now, I also have something which is called Cajun spice, which is also a spice which comes from Louisiana, from where this chicken was originated. So it's all moving together. Now what is Cajun spice? If you want to make Cajun spice, it's very easy. You use sweet paprika, you use smoked paprika, you use black pepper, you use salt, you use oregano and sometimes chili flakes. So that's what, so it's got, and cumin, if I didn't say cumin. So we've got our Cajun spice going on here. I'm just going to be rubbing this with Cajun spice all over. Lovely. तो ये हमने डाल दिया है. अभी ये जो है, a little Cajun spice inside, and along with this I have some lovely soft butter which I'm going to be putting right inside here. So literally it gets really lovely, moist, and also जो flavor जो होता है ना chicken का और जो मुलायम होता है, that's really moist अंदर तक बिल्कुल. Now look, here we've got our butter almost like all the way in, okay, and we're going to press this. Nice. Same thing here. Try to put your fingers through the skin, through the legs. We can maybe drop some butter in here as well. Perfecto. And along with that, a little bit of Cajun spice. And similarly, I'm going to do the similar thing यहाँ पर. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा हमने मक्खन डाल दिया. मक्खन मार रहे हैं हम बहुत आज. ओके, तो हमने यहाँ पे भी डाल दिया. बहुत ही मुलायम सा हो जाएगा. बहुत ही लजीज हमारा चिकन होगा. बिल्कुल लजीज. So rubbing it with butter. Nice. First class. So ये जो हमारी मैरिनेशन वगैरह हो गई है वो सही है. अभी give me a couple of minutes and I'm going to be back. थोड़ा सा हाथ धो लें हम. Oven is ready. Yes, 190 degrees. Now we're talking about the beer can chicken. The beer is right here. Okay, perfecto. And now, very, very simple. That's all it is, guys. Sounds very fancy, but it's not. And here we go, guys. Hello, baby. How are you? Perfecto. Perfecto. 40 minutes, 190 degrees. Veggies are done. Chicken is beautifully roasted, nice and brown from the outside and juicy and tasty from the inside. Are you ready? Oh yeah. Beautiful. Now that's what I call a beer can chicken. Beautiful. You got to be a little careful, okay? And guys, no one's allowed to drink that beer, okay? That beer is for the chicken. Oh yes! So all we've got these amazing, beautiful vegetables. Yeah, you've got carrots, you've got butternut squash or baby pumpkins, which I got from the local market. I've got these little Bhavnagari chilies, which we normally use to make pickles and pakoras. I've got our gorgeous corn on the cob, which is loved by all everywhere. So literally, this becomes a really good reason to sit down, family style, take the chicken out, carve the chicken, lovely vegetables. So I really hope you enjoyed this beer can chicken recipes. Even if you don't want to have beer in the can, you can have even a soda or any non-alcoholic beverages. Disclaimer, this video is not promoting any alcohol whatsoever because I don't drink either. So beer can chicken, root vegetables, Cajun spice, from my kitchen to yours. See you soon.